Hey my peaches, assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my another makeup challenge. So today I'm going to do my full face only using my hands. So for today's challenge, no brush. Let's see how I mess up my face. Let's get started. I'm going to prime my face with this blacker primer. Now I'm going to put some foundation from this La Femme foundation. Shade number is 01.
Stacking cheese like it's Parmesan. 8 different flows, call me Octomom. I'm moving fast like the Autobahn, and I'm independent.
Flawless. To set my foundation, I'm going to use this Golden Rose Compact Powder. I think that's enough. Now I'm going to use this blush from Outdoor Girl.
Take a seat, you cannot stand it. All I know, the flow harder than a Scotch bunny. Don't try studying me, you cannot manage. This ain't what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon.
To highlight my face, I'm going to use this more highlighter.
This ain't what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon.
Look at the glow, baby. Today, I'm not going to use any eyebrow cream. Let's move into the eye makeup. I'm going to use this shade for my lid from Zubia's palette.
Parmesan, 8 different flows, call me Octomom. I'm moving fast like the Autobahn, and I'm independent, so I'm not your fucking starving like it's Ramadan. Sick, twisted, gifted, can't copy, printed, can't hold me down. I shape shift, I'm liquid. I killed this beat, I might get convicted. They know.
Now I'm going to pick this shade.
Spoke it into existence, so consistent, no assistance. Hear me once, become addicted. If I rap it, then I live it. There's no cap when I be spitting this. This ain't what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon.
going to use this shade.
This ain't what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon.
For my lower line, I'm going to mix this shade and this shade. For my inner corner and my brow bone, I'm going to use the same highlighter from Mua.
Take a seat, you cannot stand it. All I know, the flow harder than a scotch bunny. Don't try studying me, you cannot manage. This ain't what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon.
I can't do my eyeliner and my mascara with my fingers, so I will put some falsies instead of that. Let's put some eyelashes.
This ain't what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon. Yeah, you better listen. I'm bringing heat, you'll be a fan when I start rapping. Way I'll have your fucking head spinning. I'm known as big vicious. Release bombs and go tick tick. Boom, you blow me that head missing. I'm a phenomenon. Stacking cheese like it's Parmesan.
Now I'm going to apply this lipstick from Romantic Bird Cosmetics. Shade number is 12 and I'll be done.
Persistent, spoke it into existence, so consistent, no assistance. Hear me once, become addicted. If I rap it, then I live it. There's no capping, I'll be freaking this. This ain't what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon. This ain't what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon.
That's it. Yeah, this was not that hard, but I'm a little bit upset about my eyeliner and my mascara. Okay, that doesn't matter. After all, it is a challenge. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, then give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also enable the notification bell because the notification bell is every time I upload. Thanks for watching and hopefully I'll see you guys tomorrow, and that will be my last challenge of this 7 days 7 makeup challenge series. Stay tuned with me. And I'll see you tomorrow then, inshallah. And be happy, be confident. Allah Hafiz.